Are machines better than humans? It's a question that has been debated for centuries, and it's one that has become increasingly relevant in the realm of sports. Today, I'm exploring the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in sports and whether or not AI can outperform humans when it comes to playing games. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we're discussing the exciting topic of AI in sports. We'll be looking at how AI is being used to play games like soccer, tennis, basketball and more. We'll also discuss the potential benefits and drawbacks of using AI in this way. So let's dive right in. In addition to soccer, AI is also being used in other sports. Tennis is one example, where AI is being used to provide coaches with detailed analysis of players' shots and movements. The data gathered from this analysis can help coaches create tailored training plans to help their players improve. AI can also be used to simulate game scenarios, giving players a chance to practice how to react in certain situations. The same technology is also being employed by basketball teams, where coaches can analyze players' performance and make adjustments to their strategies accordingly. Furthermore, AI is being used to create virtual reality simulations to help athletes visualize their moves and reactions in a realistic environment. These simulations are designed to enhance the athlete's understanding of the game and help them make better decisions when playing. As you can see, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool for coaches and athletes when it comes to improving their performance. AI is no longer just a theoretical concept, it's actually being used in various sports around the world today. For example, some professional soccer teams are now using AI-powered robots to help train their players. These robots can kick balls with perfect accuracy and even make decisions on when to pass or shoot based on data collected from previous matches. This technology is proving invaluable for teams looking to gain an edge over their opponents. AI technology is rapidly evolving and its potential applications in the sports world are increasing. For instance, AI is being used to power robots that can kick balls with precision and make decisions based on data collected from previous matches. This technology is revolutionizing how teams train and helping them gain an edge over their opponents. In addition, AI is also being used to create virtual reality simulations that help athletes visualize their moves and reactions in a realistic environment. This technology is helping athletes become more familiar with the game and hone their skills. Additionally, AI-driven robots are being used to help golfers improve the accuracy of their swings, thereby increasing their chances of success on the course. Finally, AI is also being utilized to analyze data from various sports events, providing coaches and players with valuable insights into their performance. As its capabilities continue to expand, AI will become an indispensable tool for coaches and athletes alike. But while AI may be helpful for training purposes, there are still those who doubt its ability to outperform human players on the field or court itself. After all, machines lack human intuition, creativity and emotion, qualities which have helped define great athletes throughout history. AI has also been used to great effect in other sports. In tennis, for example, AI-powered robots have been employed to simulate a match between two players, allowing coaches to assess their strategies and tactics. This technology is being utilized by some of the world's top coaches, enabling them to gain an advantage over their opponents. Similarly, AI-driven robots have been used to help improve the accuracy of golfers' swings, enabling them to hit the ball with greater precision and accuracy. Even in sports like basketball and football, AI-powered robots are being developed to help players become more familiar with the game and hone their skills. Furthermore, AI can also be used to analyze data from various sports events, providing coaches and players with valuable insights into the performance of their teams and players. In short, AI is becoming an integral part of the sports world, and its potential is only just beginning to be realized. However, recent developments have shown that machines can indeed compete with humans when it comes to playing certain sports. For instance, Google recently unveiled AlphaFold, an AI program that can predict protein structures with near-perfect accuracy, a feat which had previously only been accomplished by humans after decades of research. Similarly, IBM's Watson system was able to beat top Jeopardy contestants in 2011 by using natural language processing algorithms. It is clear that AI has been used to great effect in certain sports, allowing coaches to gain an edge over their opponents and players to hone their skills. With recent developments showing us that machines can indeed compete with humans in certain areas, it is likely that AI will become increasingly prevalent in the world of sports. However, this brings with it both potential benefits and risks. On one hand, AI could provide athletes and coaches with invaluable insights into their performance, enabling them to make improvements and refine their strategies. On the other hand, the introduction of AI could lead to a decrease in physical activity among participants, with machines taking the place of humans. Consequently, it is up to those in the sports industry to ensure that the integration of AI is carefully managed and regulated in order to maximize its potential benefits while minimizing any potential risks. The implications of these developments are far-reaching. They suggest that machines could soon be capable of competing with humans in most if not all areas of sport. And while this could lead to some exciting possibilities, such as new levels of competition, it could also lead to unintended consequences such as job losses or reduced physical activity among participants. The potential of AI to revolutionize the sport industry is great, and its use is likely to become increasingly common as technological advances make it more accessible. This will bring with it many advantages, such as allowing coaches to gain an edge over their opponents and athletes to hone their skills. Furthermore, AI could provide athletes and coaches with valuable insights into their performance, allowing them to make improvements and refine their strategies. However, it is important to consider the potential risks associated with the increased use of AI in sports, such as job losses or a decrease in physical activity among participants. It is therefore essential that those in the sports industry carefully manage and regulate the integration of AI in order to maximize its potential benefits while minimizing any potential risks. In addition, it is also important to remember that AI can only do so much. Ultimately, it is up to the athletes and coaches to make the most of the data and insights provided by AI. By doing so, AI could potentially be used to elevate the performance of athletes and teams to unprecedented levels. Ultimately, only time will tell how far AI will go when it comes to sports performance. But one thing is clear. Machines are getting smarter every day and they may soon be able to outperform even the best human athletes. Ultimately, only time will tell how far AI will go when it comes to sports performance. But one thing is clear. Machines are getting smarter every day and they may soon be able to outperform even the best human athletes. As AI technology advances and becomes more accessible, the implications of its use in the sports industry will become more clear. It is likely that AI will be used to optimize athlete performance and provide coaches with valuable insights into their teams. In addition, AI could be used to create data-driven strategies to gain a competitive edge over opponents as well as to automate parts of the sports industry, such as scouting and scouting analysis. However, with the use of AI in the sports industry come some potential risks. These include job losses or decreased physical activity among participants, as machines become more capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans. It is therefore essential that those in the sports industry carefully manage and regulate the integration of AI in order to maximize its potential benefits while minimizing any potential risks. Furthermore, it is also important to remember that AI can only do so much. Ultimately, it is up to the athletes and coaches to make the most of the data and insights provided by AI. Only with the proper integration of AI and human effort can the potential of AI to revolutionize sports performance be fully realized. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching everyone.